Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey girl. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl. So, notice anything different about me? I am officially a redhead. This color on me is giving, what's it giving? It's giving a lot. This hair is from Nadula Hair. They sent me this wig pre-colored. The color has just basically matched my skin tone to a T. I think it's bringing out my little orange undertones, but this hair is definitely giving me vacation vibes. Like, everybody's trying to fly out to Dubai. I know you want to, because I want to. So obviously we need our hair looking laid and slayed, and I'm here to provide the styles. Without further ado, I'm gonna get into the style. Please excuse my raggedy attire. Everybody's got that one top that they do their hair or makeup in, and this is mine. Please enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe, because I've been here a while, and if you're not subscribed, then how are you watching for free? I mean, subscribing is free anyway, so click the subscribe button. So I got my crimps off of Amazon. They go all the way up to 230 degrees. I'm not sure what that is in Fahrenheit for all my US subscribers, but I just got these off of Amazon. I got them a while ago, so I'm gonna try and find them and link them down below. I want to have my crimps very much like defined, but I don't want them to be crispy, so I'm gonna try and maybe add a serum to my hair, and I'm also gonna add like a hairspray, maybe some spritz or got to be spray before I crimp my hair. I would recommend that you either have a lot of time like what I have right now, or you know, do your crimps off your head. So crimp your wig before you install. Just remember, this video is probably going to be sped up by like 4 times, because right now I am moving so slow, but these crimps are coming out so well. Don't rush yourself. Like I said, give yourself time. So once the crimp is done, I'm just gonna spray my got to be over it and just leave it as it is. I'm running out of spray, so I'm going quite lightly, and try not to take too big of sections, because you don't want it to take longer than it already is going to. I stay calm as I possibly can, but all of a sudden my got to be spray has run out. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and use my spritz all over, which I didn't really want to do, but it will still work out hopefully. This is the finished product. There's not much I can say apart from the dealer hair is really coming with some stuff. Like, I didn't have to color this wig at all. I didn't bleach the knots. All I did was pluck it. It did kind of come pre-plucked anyway. The hairline was kind of like faded out slightly, but obviously, like, I'm very extra when it comes to my wigs, so I always pluck them, apart from if it's like definitely pre-plucked. In terms of specs of this hair, I believe this is a 24-inch unit, 13 by 4 parting space lace front. So it's not 13 by 6, even though I feel like the parting space comes quite far back. It is a 13 by 4 parting space. I think I want to do some other stuff with this wig. I'm thinking maybe like a side part, deep side part curls, something along those lines. I'm feeling very hopeful for this unit. Apart from that, I hope you girls enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. The content's gonna keep rolling. If you haven't noticed, I've actually been posting almost every 2 weeks now. That's good for me. So hopefully we can get this every week. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.